3 down, 3 to go. Dito na tayo sa ating second half ng ating Delta Cup live sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. It's San Fernando, Pampanga. Para ang ating game at hand, it's going to be Santa Ana versus MACABEBE. Both teams had 2-1 win-loss record. Karamihan sa mga talo nila ay dikit. Ibig sabihin, both teams can go 3-0 outright. At of course, a win here will guaranteed at least a spot sa quarterfinals kasi we are on a single round robin. Nahati po sila into 2 groups of 8. So bali a total of 16 teams dun sa grupo, or 18 teams, only 8 will advance into the quarterfinals. So napaka-importanting laban na ito, and hopefully they could gain momentum, both of them on a 2-game winning streak. It's Santa Ana versus MACABEBE. This is game 4 of 6 of your Delta Cup. Stay with us. And of course, pasalamat din natin sa ating mga kabalin na talagang walang sawang sumuporta dito sa Delta Cup mula nung umpisa. We started this Delta Cup way back November, and of course we about to finish this tournament probably at this end of the month, and we will be right back for the starters for both squads. This is game 4 of 6 of your Delta Cup. Okay, mga kabalin, and this is game 4 of 6. We are about to introduce to you the starting fives for both squads. So we're going to flash that on your screens very shortly. Ayan na po, ang starting fives for Santa Ana. We have Balahadya, Ignacio, Malyari, Peña, and Santiago. Para naman sa MACABEBE, we have Alfonso, Ducot, Talavera, Dungo, and Mundo. This time, John Banayan Jr. will be the man in charge of our referees for this game. And in just a few minutes, we'll start this game for you. Of course, Santa Ana unite. They are wearing in white. Samantalang MACABEBE wearing in red. Like what I discussed at the pre-game, both teams posting a 2-1 win-loss record. A win here, they will have a guaranteed spot on the quarterfinals because both teams nahati sila sa 2 groups. We have a total of 18 teams, and they will play a single round robin on their group, And we're about ready to start this game between Santa Ana and MACABEBE. And the best possession for Santa Ana. Here's the baseline. Santiago. Jump shot there. Wala. Grass shot didn't work there for MACABEBE. No? Masyado sila nagbadali dun sa ofensiba na yun. But Santa Ana is the team that loves to set it up, as always. However, that is a turnover. The pass by Ducot was too strong. Good intention, pero walang nakareceive ng pasa. Because we're live on both the social media platforms of Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia. Don't forget, tomorrow we'll have ISAA and Sinag Liga Asia. Both will be at the Trinity University of Asia in Quezon City. Bank shot, wala. Meron tayong foul. It's going to be a foul on number 18. Dukot para sa MACABEBE. 0-0 is the count. A minute gone by sa ating first quarter. Wala pang score. Woo! 3-point shot. Sukat na sukat. That guy drills it. 3-0 Santa Ana. Ito, gusto niya makaganti. But that's offline. So si Peña nakascore ng 3-point shot para sa Santa Ana. And that's a back-to-back 3 by Peña, this time from the corner. So 6-0 Santa Ana. Dukot. Only 8 to shoot. Baseline. Drives. 3-point play. That time caught Peña off guard, and Peña will be called for the foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Look at the cut by Talavera right down the baseline. Draws a foul and one. Beautiful. Talavera completes the 3-point play. It is now 6-3 in favor of Santa Ana. 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. Ignacio spots. Dukot rebounds. Going on a fast break. The bounce pass from the corner. Yes, great move. That's Ignacio who scored a basket para sa MACABEBE. Shot clock now at 9. Here's the attack. The drop. That's a lousy pass. Masyadong mahina. On the other end of the floor, the red shirts are up and running. Alfonso gets the basket. On the outside, 10 seconds to shoot. Peña draws the defense. Ignacio with a runner. He got it. (9-8) is the score. Approaching 6 minutes in the first quarter. 3-point shot went bite. And that's going to be a foul against Santa Ana. And magkakaroon lang ng konting news ang Pampanga PIO. So we're now live at Sinag Liga Asia at this stage with this game between Santa Ana and MACABEBE. So may nagpapa-shoutout dito si Francis Lack. Shoutout po sa City Council ng Santa Ana, si Gio Messina. Yes, Sir Gio. Hello and good afternoon. Thank you for watching. 2 free throws miss. Put back still won't go for MACABEBE. Peña rimming out on that last 3. (15 to shoot. Whoa! That's a 3-point bomb exploded by Dukot. And with that, we have a timeout. And Santa Ana will be right back. Coach of Santa Ana yelling instructions to his players. Not following to the ladder their plays. Two-point edge for MACABEBE. From the corner, down the baseline. Shot is blocked. And the ball goes back to MACABEBE. Ten to 8 inside tally. Okay, we're now live in Pampanga, PIO. 5:41 remaining in the first quarter. Only 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3-point shot short. To play a sub for Santana. Manigo. That time is past, almost telegraph. Nanatili pa rin sa Santa Ana. Drop pass. Intercepted by Team MACABEBE. The pitch. Dukot. Moves out. Talavera. Inside. Kick out. 9 to shoot. Here's Dukot. Down to 4 seconds. Shot trickles out. We still have 4 minutes and 40 remaining in this first quarter of action. Santa Ana and MACABEBE, both 2 wins and 1 record. Again, we still have 2 more games to play, and of course tomorrow, the big event there, ISAA playoffs. Yours truly and the analyst for Sinag Bigasha will call it. Last foul is number 24 of MACABEBE, Alfonso. That will be his first personal. Dave Alfonso, yun ang makakasama ko bukas sa ating broadcast. We have a foul on Malyari. .423 remaining in the first. And so far it has been all Santa Ana MACABEBE on the tussle, and we have a foul given up by Santa Ana. So medyo mabagal pa yung opensa ng bawat kupunan, but hopefully in the latter part of the game the scoring would pick up as usual. They're putting on the shot clock, and referee Jong Malaya Jr. saw the player who does the illegal screen. That's going to be an offensive foul on Talavera, his first personal. Suliman back irons the shot. Dog brings in corner. Yes! Is that a 3? It is. It is a 3 by Dukot. I don't know if he's the son of a PBA player Dukot. There's the drive. Seeking play didn't caught fire. 3-point shot off right. Watching the 3 minutes now in the first quarter, so 13-8. MACABEBE lead. Spin move there. Three points from Tamaraki. Offline. In the meantime, basket counted. What has been a surge of late for MACABEBE. Take a look at this. They're on the secondary break. He might draw the charge, but it's not. So it's going to be a defensive illegal cylinder foul on Malyari. Referee had this whistle like this. So foul talaga yun. Alabama will shoot a bonus free throw for MACABEBE. Now they have established a 7-point lead. Make that 8. 2:45 remaining in the first. Soliman about the shot. Luckily for them, they're gonna stay in on backyard. Again, we're still elimination round of the Delta Cup. Again, my name is Ram Para. I'll be back-to-back duties today for the Delta Cup, tomorrow for ISAA. And I'm not sure if I'll be tapping the Sinag Liga Asha. I don't know. Binabati natin ang Sinag Liga Asha Management. Boss Rankin Chan, the chairman. President, CEO, Ray Al, of course. Tournament Commissioner ng Delta Cup. And of course, CEO in attendance, Coach Leo Isaac in the sidelines. Yung kaninang crowd, no, very, very animated talaga namang, nanalo po dyan ng Kandaba. Habang sa score, the final score is 72-67. Goes back to Santa Ana. Release chopped down to 7 points. Okay, meron po time out of the floor, 16-9. MACABEBE up by 7, 2 minutes and 18 remaining. Back to live action. 2 minutes and 15 remaining, 16-9. There's a 7-point lead for MACABEBE. Santa Ana, medyo 7-point hold sila pero gusto nila makabalik agad. Inside pass, there's a foul. It's going to be a blocking foul on somebody. It's only the 14th foul of MACABEBE, so they're not yet in the penalty. Alright, check na natin oras. (16-9) with 2 minutes remaining. There's a little bit of lull here. Again, you may like, share, and subscribe to our social media platforms of Delta Cup, Pampanga Information Office, and of course, Sinag Liga Asha. Remember, both teams in penalty, and it's going to be 2 free throws for the offended party. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good. The lead is 7. And I don't know why the time is not running. Not until about after 5 seconds. Jump shot. The Red Shirts get the rebound, and it will be a foul against Santa Ana. 14 to shoot now. Penalty situation in the back. It's going to be 2 free throws for the attended party. Here's some of the of the beautiful woman here in Pampanga. Just a glimpse of it. (17-11). A minute and 41 remaining in this first quarter. Driving play deflected by UC. And here's the red shirts of MACABEBE on the one. That pass inside the paint pays off. 19-11 to MACABEBE. A minute and 14 remaining in this first quarter. Oh, big development there. Corner three. Yes, sir. Oh, big shot. So the ball goes back to Santa Ana. 43 ticks remaining the first quarter. Here's Balahaja on the outside. Back to Balahaja. Banging bodies there against 3 defenders. He was smothered. He was smothered, and that will be another case of traveling. Kala nyo inantok ko Doon talaga. 31 seconds to go. Alam nyo, mga kaibigan sa ating industriya, kailangan marunong tayo mag-pacing sa mga ganitong panahon. Lalo na, I'll be doing a crucial matches tomorrow sa ISAA because it is also powered by Sinag Ligaasa. Talagang back to back talaga. Kaya pinipacing ko lang yung boses ko. Final 9 seconds remaining. The shot won't work para sa MACABEBE. Put packet side natin. Ayaw pa rin. 3 seconds to go. Another opportunity to score at the buzzer. He almost get it. That basket will that count? Okay. Direct, i-review natin yan. Para sa amin na referees natin, no count. Sige, let's see in this replay on that last basket. Here it comes. That's a great view. Here's the last shot. Off the rebound. Tumulog na. Yes, it is not counted. Not counted. Very good angle. Thank you very much. First quarter is history. 19-14 MACABEBE. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup. Alright, babalik po tayo dito sa BREN Convention Center sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Patuloy po ng aksyon ng ating Delta Cup. This is the middle point of elimination. We will end the elimination round in about a week or two, and then by next year we will be on the playoffs. It's been a long tournament. The tournament will end in around January, February. Drive inside, didn't pay off. Gusto rin yung mga bata nasa school pa, no? Karamihan nito mga sumasali dito mga senior high school, puntang college. Of course, yung mananalo magkakaroon ng cash prize, and at pang maganda ang performance ng ugaling mga bata ay mapipili sila sa national team, or not national team, the provincial team of Gulf Delta Pineda. Sulaiman scored the basket. Another case of traveling. (19-16). 9:17 remaining in this second quarter rather. Ikot ang bola from top of the key area. towards the center court. Drive inside. To drop. Another case of traveling. Back-to-back traveling, sir. Mariano. Gives it to his teammate. Momentarily open the right corner three. Short. And he was ganged up with the two defenders at meron tayong foul. Okay, tingnan natin yung huling replay na to. After the rebound. Kinuyog. Oh, naku, may konti siya. Kunti na siya tamaan ng siko dun. 8 minutes and 40 remaining second quarter. The lead is 3 points. Soliman. Sinabi ko Sulaiman eh. Mali, Soliman. Nakagaw dito ang Santa Ana. And we have a foul. Get up. Could be a foul on Torres. Let's see that again. Obvious scramble. Three-point game tayo. 19-16. Konting confusion lang sa ating mga referees kung ano ba ako shooting ba to o ano. Pero sa ating league referees sa ating game 4, I see Jong Banaya Jr. So sabi ni ref, it would be an act of shooting foul. So pagkakataon ng Santa Ana na matapisan ng lamang ang MACABEBE. It is 17-19. The bread is on. And we have a whistle. It's a foul. Foul number 8 ng Santa Ana. Just 3-point shot, top of the key. Back to live action here. Oh, another case of traveling. Nakaka-apat na traveling errors na tayo. Apat na. Mukhang mahilig ang mga bata sa cha-cha tango. Ano na linggo. Hop, teka muna. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Binigay na yung bola, nag-buzzer. So, okay lang. Back to live action, MACABEBE. Just 2 points after establishing a 10-point lead early in the first quarter. So, nandito na yung sinasabing comeback aspirations ng Santa Ana. 12 seconds on the shot clock. From the baseline, it's a failure. And a steal by the white shirts. Ito na Santa Ana. They're going play number 5. Here's Peña from the corner. Peña fires a 3-point shot. Won't fight. Battle for the rebound. Nako! The ball goes back to MACABEBE. Kalo na tayong konting problema sa video pero ngayon okay na, we're back. Alright, palit ng taon dito MACABEBE. We still have 7 minutes and 25 remaining in the second quarter. Another turnover once more for MACABEBE. 3-point shot. It's good. Some pressure from the front court. It's crossed the 8-second line. Hang time drive deflected and rejected. Follow fast break. Ayaw pa rin. Oh, this time it's gonna be another case of traveling na naman. Traveling. Nakakalima na. I've never seen a traveling error of those late 5 in just one quarter. Corner 3. Red shirts now down by a solitary point. And a turnover by MACABEBE. 6:15 remaining in the second quarter. Here's the drive in. That was successful. And tatawal ang timeout ang MACABEBE because their lead has been evaporated. It's a 3-point edge by Santa Ana, 22-19. These are some of the most beautiful moments of Kabaleng on your picture. .607 remaining in the second quarter. The pressure is on. Almost a step in there. Almost a traveling there. And again, Santa Ana stamp its class defensively, deflect. It's a 3-point lead now for Santa Ana. Peña, a lot of banging bodies there. Alfonso, here's the jump shot. Almost went overboard, but it will go to they have a brand new shot clock. Medyo madulas yung bahagi nila sa court ng MACABEBE. Ang dami nadudulas na player. Offensive foul doon ang MACABEBE. Kanina pa nag-ano ng play, kailangan ma-map na yung parte na yan. Nagdudulasan. Here's the replay of that last offensive foul. (22-19). 5-12 remaining in the second. Nakalusot. And a great assist. Balik sa limang abante ng Santa Ana. Good drop. Inside, that was rejected. And it's going to be another foul given up by Santa Ana. Let's see that again. Ayun, binangga. Foul talaga. Itang kita sa ating replay. Samantala, bola pa rin ng MACABEBE. Jump shot from 19. Bounces in. Bumibitaw dito MACABEBE, only down by 5 points with 4:22 in the second quarter. Alfaro, ikot ang bola dito sa Santa Ana. May pick doon, pumunta sa, wala siya mapuntahan actually. It backfired ang pick na yun. Fast break now for the red shirts. Tomira, 15-foot line, got it. Still a lot of time remaining, 24 to 21. Low scoring second quarter nakikita natin. Depensahan ito at very methodical offense. Ang nangyari sa magkabilang kupunan, they're just chewing up the clock. And the ball goes back to Santa Ana. Kenya. Alright, referees were still discussing on those last bit of action. Kung ano magiging repercussion. Again, napeg tayo sa 26 to 23. Okay, magkakaroon lang tayo ng short break. Meron tayong officials time. We'll be right back. Okay, na-fix na yata na ating referees yung ating konting problem technical. We are about to restart the second quarter. Again, the score here is 26 to 23. Santana up by 2, or by 3 rather. Meron pa ng konting discussion dito sa scoreboard. Again, i-promote lang natin. Apart from this next games, bukas po ay pupunta kami sa Maynila, Trinity University of Asia. ISA Basketball Final 4. Number 1 seed La Consolacion will be in the first game against the Pats College of Aeronautics. Next game at 12 p.m. It's going to be ICCT versus ICC Blue Hawks. 1 and 2 are both have twice to beat advantage. And then we'll proceed to the finals after that. Okay, here's the inbound. Finally, after about 7 minutes, we're back. Uh-oh. Nako. May delay na konting shot clock natin. Fast break. Still one bite. Oops, may foul. May foul. .309 remaining in this second quarter. Very close to 14 count of 1-point lead. Ito, 3-point shot. Ayaw pa rin. Turnover again. Tayong pito. .41 remaining the second quarter. Close to 14 counter Santana. There we go. Here's the steal. Here's the cut. Can he dunk it? Nah, hindi. Layup lang. The lead is now Macabebe's turn. First stage of the lead for Macabebe after a long time. 2:17 remaining. Drop pass inside. The big guy can't score. Villa overshoots it. Talavera. Bad pass. It's a clear stepping on the line with a leading violation. Here comes the 2-minute warning in this first half. One-handed shot. Matamlay ang scoring of both squads, no? Talagang hirap na hirap sila umiscore. But unlike in the first 3 games, the scoring has picked up somewhat, almost always in the second quarter. Another missed opportunity, but in the meantime, we have what? A substitution. It is a 1-point MACABEBE lead, a minute and 37. Low scoring first half. At meron tayong penalty situation in effect. So kahit sino, even Santa Ana just entered also the penalty situation. Minute and 37 remaining. This just crosses the 8-second line. Ten to shoot. Got it. Wow, ang tagal ng scoring. They put premium really on half-court execution and defense, and that's why the score is somewhat low. Finally, a turnover here. Kinulang ang kanyang purpose. At that time, right place at the right time. Hindi ka lang dapat marunong sa pwestuhan, kaya lang marunong ka rin sumipot saan tatabog ng bola sa rebound. We have a timeout. The score is 27-26, MACABEBE, 45 seconds. .2 seconds remaining. And tingin tayo sa ating mga viewers sa Facebook. Ayan si nanonood si Ralph Nagit Pineda. Hello po. 41 seconds to go. MACABEBE 29, Santa Ana 26. This time Santa Ana makes good on the passing plays. Kaya lang, hinihigpit ang depensa ng MACABEBE. Santiago turns a one. Naku! Hindi lang pumasok ang tira. Shot won't work. And we have a foul. Sabi ni Mike Wells, pati a shot out from Canada. And thank you sa 288 viewers na ngayon nanonood dito sa Pampanga, PIO. And also sa Sinagdiga, Asia. My name is Ryan Paro. Thank you for watching wherever you are in the world. In the meantime, we have this replay for you. Tenacity of the boards, ni Villa. However, air ball ang free throw shot. We're down to 19.6 seconds in the first half. Split charities, 27-29. Yes, almost a steal. Eight seconds remaining, and we have a violation. So last shot time na po dito ang Santa Ana. They can tie this game or they can take a 3 to end the half. Here we go. 4 seconds. They almost throw the ball away. There's a tap. Ayun, sabi ni Kenneth Gutierrez, shout out from USA. 4 seconds to go. From the corner, he's wide open, 3-point shot, in and out, and that should do it. Santa Ana 27, MACABEBE 29. After one half of play, we will have the halftime highlights plus the leading scores. Dito po ang Delta Cup. We are now game 4 of 6 here at the BREN Convention Center. Halftime tally 29-27. It's a 2-point lead for MACABEBE. Let us show our audience the halftime highlights from our first half between Santa Ana and MACABEBE. Take a look. Ito yung tira from the corner ni Dukot. It's a southpaw 3-point shot into other side. Sneaking layup. Pasok. Also bounce pass. The bank shot is good. Para kay Malyari. And other side. Yung jump after the miss. Nice tip in. So that's some of the highlights. And now let's see the hottest scores from both teams. Santa Ana's hottest score is Peña with 8. Video with 5. Balahada with 2. For MACABEBE, Dukot with 8. Talavera with 6. And Duma with 4. We'll be right back for the second half of action. Stay tuned for more Delta Cup. Okay, we now start the third quarter action, and of course it's going to be Santa Ana versus MACABEBE. And welcome to the third quarter action. You're still watching the Delta Cup. We're coming to you live from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. So far, it has been a close first half. And we start the second half with a basket. 29 apiece. Okay, play number 3, sabi sa MACABEBE. The shot clock now at 8. Looking for Carter, goes left. Shot clock is a problem now. 1 second na lang shot clock. Ayan, naputukan sila ng 24. It's a shot clock violation against MACABEBE. Now we're all squared up at 29. That drive missed. There's a foul, and somebody also hit in the face. It's a MACABEBE, and I think he's still down. Check ang kanyang kalagayan. Alright, 14 seconds on the shot clock. And of course, binabati natin si Gov Delta Pinedo na ngayon ay nasa Bacoor. His team, Pampanga Giant Blancos, is preparing for the national finals tonight. Oh, that's a buzzer beater. Shot clock three-pointer by Peña. That's premium. In the meantime, shot deflected. Another case of traveling. So we have 6 traveling errors for this ball game. 32-29, Santa Ana with a 3-point lead. Here's Peña. This swinging around on the right wing. 12 to shoot. 100 shot didn't drop. Para for the rebound. May push. May tulak. 8:06 remaining in the third. Ten on the shot clock. MACABEBE needs to manufacture a play right now. 5 seconds, 3-point shot. It goes out. There's a foul. To 29. 7:44 remaining in this third quarter. A cut, almost a basket by Talavera, and Santiago will give up a foul. It's going to be 2 free throws for the offended party. First free throw is no good. Here we'll have one more free throw on the offering. It's good. 7:40 remaining in this third quarter. The lead is 2 for Santa Ana. Shot clock now a problem. 10 seconds. Right down the baseline. Puts it up at top angle. Nothing, but there's a foul. Two free throws for the offended party. Let's see that again in replay. Uy! Talagang sinalubong. 2 more free throws. It's not good. Give me a smoke. Turnover. Oh, you see one turnover after the other. Here comes another fast break finish. It won't have happened. And ito na yung sinasabi ni Coach Leo na takbuhan. Here's Dugo scores from 10 feet. To shoot now for Santa Ana. 10 to shoot. And we have violation. And still a long way to go. Tie game at 32. Low scoring affair between MACABEBE and Santa Ana. Game 4 of 6 na ating Delta Cup. Here's a 3-point shot from the left corner court. Tad short. Posog almost getting the stick back, but it's going to be free throws. So going to be free throws now for the defending party. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good as well. And another basket for San Juan. Oh, sorry, for Santa Ana. Sabi tuloy San Juan. Tabla tayo sa 34. Halfway point of the third quarter, 5 minutes and 34. In the meantime, it's going to be a charge. It's going to be an offensive foul. Five and 17 remaining this third so far. Both teams hindi masyado nagpipick up ang scoring. They are concentrated immensely on defense. And earlier the replay shows you why. 13 to shoot. Here's the drive. Peña. He draws a foul. Peña will shoot 2 free throws. First is good. (36-34). Now Santa Ana starting employing defense. Ito, nagdo-double team na sila. That time a good pass, good find, but it can't make it. Ito na Santa Ana, showing the wares on defense and offense. 3-point shot on the right wing, wala. MACABEBE was slowed down. They want to build the momentum. Oh, that's a 3-point shot. Ang tagal na natin di nakita nakatira ng 3 si Ducot. First thing that hit early in the first quarter. Now this is only the second 3. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Another case of traveling. Shot clock. And a turnover. Medyo sober yung tira na yun. Jump shot na yun. Oh, this is a mad scramble of leather. Pick up by MACABEBE, but it was Budge. Counter steal. Here's Peña with a drop and an assist. (38-37). 10-4. Naku! Malapitan na, hindi na ipasok. So that could be the frustration foul. So 1-point lead for Santa Ana. And so free throw time na. First is good. Second is also good. Both teams in penalty now, 40-37. So the scoring is slowly picking up. The meantime, it's a 3-point Santa Ana lead. So it's anybody's ball game from here on in. A good drop. And that's just like that. The lead is back to 5. Almost a turnover. Oh! Malyari was surprised that he's caught stepping. Atin nga yun direct, pwede ba replay na rin yan? Nagulat siya eh. Pero babala tayo sa 2 minuto sa ating third quarter. Game 4 of 6. Nakaagaw dito ang Santa Ana, pero naka-safety ang MACABEBE. That is another cause of traveling. 7 traveling errors na mga kaibigan. 7. Dami. So minutes remaining in this third quarter, 42-37. Spin. 10 to shoot. 3-pointer. Wala. Minute and a half remaining this third quarter. Mariano at low post, fade away, wala. Ball goes back to Villa. Hounded. There's gonna be a foul. There is gonna be a foul. Free throws naman tayo. With a minute and 16 take a look at this. Kinuyog, hinawakan, hinold, ayun, holding foul. So Villa will take 2 free throws at this stage. (43-37). A minute remaining in this third quarter. Another case of traveling. Direk and Balong. Can you believe this? 8 traveling errors in this ballgame. Wow. (43-37). 56 seconds to go. Uptake. Traveling. 9 traveling errors. (44.8 seconds remaining. We're about to close the third chapter of this ball game. 36 ticks. Mundo. Baseline. There's a foul. Two free throws for the offended party. Both teams in penalty already. (27 seconds). There's going to be a foul. Foul on foul on number 13, Mariano. So, free throws time na for both squads. Kanina pa sila sa penalty, but he bungled that opportunity. One more? No. Oh, hit at the face of an injured player. Also hit at the foot. So both players are down at the stage, right in front of us. .5 seconds. You saw that in the replay, the collision. .5 seconds remaining. Still in the third quarter. One shot time for Santana. Mariano. Here's 6 seconds. Thought about the three. Here's a drive. Levano, left-handed. No. 1 second ago. Puts it up at the buzzer. No. Third quarter draws to a close. 43 points for Santana. 38 points for MACABEBE. What has been a very, very defensive-oriented ball game. We'll have some highlights for you as we say goodbye to the third quarter of this game. We'll be right back for the fourth quarter. Alright, we're down to the last 10 minutes of playing time to determine if MACABEBE can get the third win in this tournament or if Santa Ana can get the third win. Alright, umpisa na po tayo natin for the final quarter. My name is Ron Powell, doing the call for the Delta Cup here, the GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Turnover. Magliari drives, finger roll, yes. Shot clock a problem now. Sunga misses the shot. And here's the rebound by Santana. The lead is 7. Approaching the 9-minute mark for the final quarter. Remember, this is the battle of the 3-win slate. Sa ating game 4 of 6 na ating Delta Cup. And here's the drive inside. Meron tayong foul. At matatawagan ng foul. Number 2 player. Yan si Sunga. At meron tayong timeout on the floor. The score is 45-38. Santa Ana up by 7. Okay, balik tayo sa laro. It is now 45 to 38. The lead is 7. Time remaining is 8 minutes and 54. Again, welcome to Delta Cup. My name is Ryan Paro. Okay, habang meron tayong lala, ay susubukan kong basahin ang ilan sa mga mensahe ninyo na pinadala dito sa Pampanga Information Office. At again, this is Sinag Liga Asha. And of course, don't forget, tomorrow I'll also do covering the ISAA playoffs at the Trinity University of Asia together with Dave Lozano. Maging star-studded ng aking pagana boy dito sa industriya na to. First free throw, the second free throw is good. Ayan, baptized kay Matt Coque, Isaiah David, Edison Talavera, Lance Maravil. In the meantime, that pass is telegraphed. Here's the fast break by the white shirts by Santa Ana. No. White shirts now are slightly commanded by 8 points. They're now slowly dictating the tempo of this game. Nice crossover. Ankle breaker a little bit. He unleashes that short time in the fourth quarter for Malyari. Alright, back to live action. Santa Ana up by 10 points, 48 to 38. 5 or 2 on the shot clock. Still can't bite. I think tumama yun. I think tumama yun. I think that one hit. Basket counts. Take a look at this. And direct prior to that, yung bago yon, tumama yun eh. In the meantime, from the baseline, nasa hanap ito. 7 minutes remaining in this ball game. So far, Santa Ana slowly dominating this one. Well, sabi niya, Edison Talavera, shoutout kay Joey Talavera from Baluti, Quezon City. Oh, yeah! 3-point shot by Santa Ana. Malyari once again gives them a commanding 15-point lead. Right there. It's Balad. Shot clock wired out at 5. To 42 score. We still have some lull here. 6:09 remaining. Well, the head coach is complaining on something. Again, the score now is 53 to 42. Santa Ana up by 11 points. Approaching the 6-minute mark of this ball game. Here's the drive. There's an interception. We have a whistle. We got another foul. One second ago on the shot clock. He almost beat the buzzer. Here's the shot. Long. So the ball goes back to MACABEBE. And look at this, MACABEBE fans and the coaching staff. But there has been some problems with the timer. The timer is slowing it down. At makita natin na yung coaching staff ay medyo nagagalit na. They're down by 11 points. Every point, every time counts for them. We have a foul again. Score is 53 to 42. Penalty situation. Hindi pa pala penalty. Just a second team foul. Maya Santa Ana. Suddenly, this guy lost his touch at the free throw line. Miss both. Five and 18 remaining. There's a triple team. Tight shot. Does not work. Here's MACABEBE on the run. Duco, touch passing. Great play. We'll see now some bluebirds here. Well, we cannot please everybody, but at least we want to be fair and square here in this league. We have a whistle. First free throw is good. So 44 to 55. Lead is 11 for Santa Ana. Let's see if they can hold on to this lead. MACABEBE showing some sign of comeback. Yun nga lang, hindi pumapasok ka ng tira. That has been a problem 100 and all game long. Okay, si Enig Mariano says Jaisel Castro balingin. Meantime, we have a foul. 11-point lead. can chop down this tonight if he made 2. So this is good for Talavera. All right, one more free throw for Talavera. That's not far. Lead is 11. Here's Santo Tomas. And you see the crowd. They didn't see the replay here. And a bank shot. And there's some problem with the time now. I think they need to fix that. I think there's a problem with the score. Kasi nagpitro kanina MACABEBE para ito yung score di umanda. Samantala Santana already has 55. Inaayos lang natin ang mga table officials. Mga official score. Wow, this is going to be a long game. We have a good sized crowd here, almost 1,000, watching this important game. And both coaches are really up in arms. A very emotionally immersed game. Time remaining is 4 minutes and 16. The lead is 8 for Santana. Yon, nagkaroon na ng changes sa score. The official score is 55-47. Kasi kanina pa yun sa 44 pero nakascore ng free throw tapos nakascore ng field goal dito MACABEBE pero parang nasa 44 pa rin. That's why the coach are up in arms and the referee apologizes to the coach for that little delay. I cannot disclose the exact information na sinasabi na pero one thing's for sure, kaya tayo nagkakadelay because the problem na minsan o nakakascore ang MACABEBE it take time to get the right buttons. Score stands at 57-47 for what has been a long fourth quarter for the last 3 games. Ang haba ng fourth quarter natin. If MACABEBE continue keep on complaining, the referees might give them a T for the day of the game. That's for sure. Finally, play continues. That's going to be a foul. It's only the 13th foul for Santa Ana. For MACABEBE. Pressure is on. No basket. Referee says it's going to be traveling. Ten-point game. 57 Santa Ana, 47 MACABEBE. MACABEBE desperately trying to come back. That's no basket. Another case of traveling. On the other end, Santa Ana might score this. No. Three-point shot. No. Finally a basket there. Oh, they forgot this guy. Reverse layup scored. 59-49. Turnover. The turnover. We have a ceasefire. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. Okay, we're now approaching crunch time of this game, but the lead is not safe at all. Lapagado almost got a steal it. Magliari was fouled. It's going to be a penalty situation. One more free throw. The lead is 11. 60-49 Santa Ana, 3 minutes remaining. From the corner. Wanting to shoot now. He goes left, that's Magliari. Turns three, wraparound pass, that's too much mustard up. Yeah, turnover. Almost an in one play of that drive. So Villa will be called for the foul probably. Important dito sa mga bata ng MACABEBE not to give up. This is just an 11-point game. As soon as they cash in those free throws, if they play enough defense, this might turn things around. But the time is the slight test enemy here. Alright, 2 minutes and 15. I need to stand because we are approaching the 2-minute warning, the 2-minute twilight zone. The drop pass. Nice play. 62-51. Last 2 minutes. Santa Ana versus MACABEBE. Here we go. Number 24 bringing it downtown onto number 22, Odingo. Odingo has it. Odingo goes right, drives hard, goes for the bank shot. Won't go. Rebound controlled by Villa. Villa has it, and Santa Ana will chew up the clock. The lead now is 11. Here's the pass on the outside. Will not force the issue. They're going to chew up the clock. 17 seconds. Malyari on the right wing. Malyari. There's a screen. Goes right. Malyari with 9 to shoot. Malyari does a pick. The long pass, William rejected. 4 seconds. 3.6 seconds. 51-62. Cruz with a drop pass. Intercepted by Villa. Turnover. 1:15 remaining. Here's Malyari. Malyari goes right. And Cruz stick like glue. There's a foul. So 2 important free throws right now. It looks like Santa Ana might get this win in a minute and 11 seconds. (63-51). 64-51. A minute and 10 remaining. Lukot on the right wing. Lukot goes right. On the outside, we have his teammate bounce pass to Lukot right on the base. 13 with shot clock crossover. That's a bad pass. That's all she wrote for this game. This game for Santa Ana is in the refrigerator. The ball is close. It's according the ball is getting hard. Joe's checking. They're just gonna bring down. Fast break play. Here's number 18. Here's Lukot scoring the basket. 64-53. It's an 11-point game. There's the alley play to Villa. Yes. 66-53. Time down to 30 seconds. Fusilero. Yes. Down to 25 seconds remaining. Down to 20 seconds. This game is over. Santa Ana will get this W. Second differential between the shot from the game clock. Villa again. Three-point shot. That should do it. Final score 68-55. Santa Ana wins. Our best player in the ballgame will be interpreted by yours truly, Malyari. We'll be right back.
bakit slow start kayo?
Yun po, halos po may nagkasakit yung mga kasangga ko. Wala po silang gana naglaro. Nag-adjust lang po kami na sabi ng coach, depensa muna bago opensa. Kaya po nahabol namin at nagtulungan lang po kami para makamit po namin panalo.
With that kind of performance, we in-expect na mga Kabalin fans on the next performance, dodoble mo yung effort dahil sa sinabi mong ganyang sitwasyon, ha?
Yes po, yun nga po, lagi po kaming nag-ensayo para po makamit po na, makakuha po namin yung gusto namin sa liga na to. Nagtutulungan po kami magkasangga.
Of course, dahil nakuha niyo yung ikatlong panalo, pagkakataon mo na magpasalamat at bumati. Go ahead.
Yun nga po, unang-unang po salamat sa Panginoon Diyos. Nakuha po namin yung panalo na to. Pati po kay Boss Gov Delta, sa mga sponsor po namin sa Municipality of Santa Ana, kay Mayor Ross, sa mga Conchal Gio, lahat-lahat na po. Thank you rin po sa pamilya ko, lalo po sa tatay ko at mama ko. Sumusuporta lagi. Yun po.
Ngayon manyaring congratulations to you. You get a big win. Meron pa, sige.
Yung girlfriend po, Joanna Lidmina. Shout out.
Ito na tawag na paningit eh. Mexico versus Bacolor is up next. We are now 4 games done. Ito po ang Delta Cup.